The Kenmore Elite D90 error code indicates a blockage in a device's exhaust vent, hose, or wall ducts, typically caused by a blocked vent, lint and debris buildup, a twisted or kinked hose, or a clogged lint filter. To fix this error, it is essential to check the device's ventilation system, including the exhaust hose, lint filter, and vent, for any obstructions. Detaching the vent hose from the device and examining it for debris or lint can help identify the cause of the blockage. Using a cleaning brush to clear the dirt from the hose can help unblock the machine. And cleaning the filter and vent can also remove any lint present. Additionally, inspecting the vent hood for restrictions, such as debris or lint buildup, and clearing any obstructions can help resolve the issue. It is also crucial to check the airflow of the device by ensuring there is a strong and steady flow of air coming from the vent hood after turning it on, and checking for any kinks or twists on the hose that may be preventing airflow. By following these steps, the error code can be resolved, and the device can function properly again.